team. Today is day 104 of live streaming NASDAQ futures. Today we're actually back on gold, chat. It's been a hot minute. Uh, we're featured to get today with Stonks McGee. Stonks.
Yo, what's up, guys? What's up?
Now Stonks is actually currently, I believe, in a trade right now. So we will get back to Stonks really quickly in a second, but I just wanted to quickly touch base chat with today's trade that we've taken this morning on 5 of my 50k combines. Look, I actually want to get to that in a second. It was essentially a short from here to here, gold, nothing crazy. Let's get into the meat of today's stream. Today I am trading 100k eval. Oh, I forgot. Oh, dude. I didn't even realize I had another 100k eval that I actually had another 100k eval on alpha.
That you could reset,
No, that was
or
already
is it still there?
yeah, still there. I forgot I even had it. Okay, anyways, I guess we're trading two 100k evals on alpha futures today, chat. So we are looking for some opportunities to trade on gold today. Let me just quickly have a look on NASDAQ, see what's popping over there. Before we dive into looking at the markets chat, always, never forget to check the news.
That's good. That's good.
So, no news in this session. There was some CPI actually about an hour ago, so that was quite important. Not affecting our trading session at the moment though, which is good. Why don't we start off by, if we're going to do an analysis on both the NASDAQ and gold on, we just quickly draw up the boxes. You know how we do it. Start off with the Asia box. Did we, how was price action here? Did we sort of consolidate? Did we accumulate? Sorry, let's have a look. It looks like we did accumulate. Asia. What happened in London? It looks like a whole lot of chop, which is not good, historically speaking, based off my backtesting and data collection. If London is accumulating within Asia, then I generally see a manipulation and distribution in New York. So it'll be interesting to see what happens. I gotta act quick because I gotta make sure I get in time to enter any trades that cross the true day open. So let's quickly mark that one up now as it's coming across. True day open, let's have a look. Realistically, I like to trade gold lately during the Asia sessions, a lot less volatile and choppy and crazy. So, but we shall see.
Look at my trade here. I expanded my stop loss a little bit, and it almost kissed me out.
Oh, I see it. I'm just doing my chart up real quick.
Sorry, mate.
It'll be a second. No, you're all right. You're all right. 8:30. We're gonna get 9:30 there. Okay. New York Stock Exchange open. All right, chat. Let's see what we're cooking up. So everything's all drawn up. Let's have a look at what we've got today. Let me have a look. Okay, so interesting. We've wicked into the London high. Now I want to see what is the previous day high and low. I believe this might be previous day high here. We've already swept it. Which is good. Previous day high. Quickly go on the, just check that there. Previous day high. Whoa. Previous day low was all the way down there. Crazy. I'm gonna delete all these old things. Previous day low. Okay, so what's the draw? Has price already swept previous day high? Holy moly, it has. Okay, so it looks like New York Stock Exchange session opened up completely sweeping the previous day high, and it's looking to reverse now. So I want to keep a keen eye on the draw. Honestly, chat, I think what I'm going to be looking for now is a potential short off the 5-minute rejection block here. Just quickly zhoosh this up, chat, real quick. Okay, we have a bit of a rejection block here. That's built up on the 5-minute at a key point of interest, which is in this case the which is the previous day high. Sorry, I'm just tightening everything up now. All right, so we've got the rejection block. We've got a sweep. It's actually somewhat mitigated, the rejection block, actually. So maybe that's invalidated. We'll see how price comes into it. But what I'll do is I'll look to set up a preliminary short position, maybe 15-point stop, as we see our price reacts. Because now that we've swept previous day high, be interesting to see how it wants to continue. Because if we look closely, chat, I think yesterday closed as a pretty, I don't know, bullish doji, I guess. A lot of indecision. Even today's Asia session accumulated, London accumulated, so it's hard to say what's going to happen in New York. We are approaching this daily internal protected high as well, so that's a key point of interest to keep an eye on, which I'll actually mark up as well. Yeah, let's just keep an eye on everything, chat, and see how far away we are. It could be a draw on liquidity actually as well. Internal protected high daily. Let's keep an eye on that.
Have a look at what Brandy's cooking up here.
Yep. That's just what I've got cooking up at the moment. Nothing crazy. Yeah, I would potentially be looking for a short maybe. But we'll see. It did sweep this sort of high. Previous day high. Previous high daily. Previous daily. Previous daily high. There we go. Previous daily high daily doesn't make sense. All right, let's keep it on. And I think we want to do some small risking today. Nothing too crazy. That's everything that we've got cooking up on our end. Now we just wait, chat. Let's actually have a quick look back on gold. See what's happening over there.
Open is so stressful. Holy.
Yep.
Look how the price came down. Almost closed me out here.
Let's have a look, chat. We are now looking at stock screen.
Holy moly. I'm aiming for the all-time again.
Okay.
Almost there. Hey, this is a good sign for me. But you see this? Holy, I was clenching my ass cheeks. I'll tell you that much. Because I don't want to risk more than $200. This was the max that I'd be willing to lose on a trade.
Yep.
Yeah. So.
Okay.
It'd be great to see if it pushes past. Part of me just wants to break even and step out for a little bit.
Yep.
Maybe go for a. Time frame.
Okay. Let's see what we've got cooking up today. Now what's happening here on gold, chat? Gold is approaching, I guess, all-time high now, which is good. We want to see how it reacts as it approaches an all-time high. Keeping a close
Yeah.
eye on that. Okay, chat. We just swept. We just swept the rejection CE of the rejection. I'm actually going to short here, chat.
Order filled.
Bit of a tight stop loss there.
Order filled.
Okay, so I'm in here, chat. A little bit. I came into the price action a little bit late, but we'll keep an eye on how this goes. I'm risking 552, and I'm going to target right above New York Stock Exchange Open. That'll be my draw on liquidity. Actually, no, I might actually have a look. No, I think that's pretty good. Right before the protected low and London high and whatnot. We'll see how it goes. Could be wrong because, like I said, if we look on the 5 minute, this second wick here did recome and I guess sweep it. So could be a bit of a too late to trade kind of thing, but we'll have a look. 2 minutes left on the 5 minute. Yeah, got a lot of lines on the chart, chat.
You shorting NASDAQ,
Yep.
right?
Yep.
Order filled.
Okay, first loss, not a problem. Like we said, it did kind of sweep it initially. This would have been the perfect that right there. I see now that I look back, would have been that perfect rejection block entry there. Wow. Let's have a look. Let's keep it on the 5 minute. There could be a potential CISD on the 5 minute. Or it can just
Interesting,
continue
because
going bullish.
usually, if gold is rising, NASDAQ tends to fall a bit. But
Well, we shall see. We shall see here.
just secured a little one contract profit at this previous New York
Very nice.
PM close.
Okay, a minute there. Have a look. Okay, I kind of like the look of this. I might re-enter here again.
Order filled. Order filled.
Same sort of trade setup, just a little bit later. Ooh. This time it's after the sweep. So this one has a little bit more patience involved, chat, and this high low candle kind of formed there. So we shall see. Oh my goodness, prices. I'm having a bit of a good time here. So I'm only going to target right above New York Stock Exchange Open. I think that warrants a break even there. I might just extend and do partial TP.
Order filled.
Okay, so we took partials off that chat.
Oh.
I believe the 5 minute, yeah, should look quite bearish, easy. That's good. That's good. We're in the green here.
I think gold is continuing to rise, might hit all-time high.
That's good. We're just continuously watching here. I think it still has some legs. I'm going to be quite aggressive, chat, with the trailing stop. I have been in the past a bit neglectful. You know what? I'm just going to TP there.
Order filled.
All right, chat. I think that's a good trade for today. I am done. I think definitely upon looking back, I might have definitely jumped the gun a bit, or I might have had too tight of a stop loss. As you can see, my stop loss just tipped me out by a few ticks, 3 ticks. If I had extended my stop loss by 4 ticks, I would have still been in the trade and swept that internal protected low there. I could have had my limit taken as well. So what did it actually take me out? 74.25. So 74.25. Okay, there it is. So guys, that was a 2.39 risk to reward. We're up for today. I don't know if I really want to trade anymore. I think I'm quite happy with what I did. We shall see how price continues to play out in the 1 minute, 5 minute. Looks a bit choppy. Don't want to get into this barcode kind of stuff. I dare say it might continue bearish, as we can see, big rejection wick on the 5-minute, but it is counter trend, so wouldn't bank on it too much. Back to you, Stonks. What do you got cooking up over there?
Something good. Look, prior to this, I've set I've set one sell limit just at the day high, which is the highest high. I'm looking at current ATI and volume, and it's going very strong in the bullish. So I think I will be happy. I will trail my stop loss to this, just under this resistance. So I'm risking $16 in profit for a $300 gain if it hits all 3 profit targets.
Yep.
This is just me greeting for the payout. I'm already qualified for today, but I just want to hit my profit target of $500 a day.
Yep.
Yeah.
Yep. Fair enough. Fair enough.
But we're
Okay,
looking
that's great.
pretty strong. This really scared me. Holy. I was saying at the start of the stream, I might increase my stop loss because of the volatility during New York session. Okay, we just broke past day high, so we've got all-time high now.
Okay. Wow.
Let's see if it continues.
Yep. Well.
So for me, I've
Nice.
used a
Look at that,
frequent
chat.
trace
Gold
line.
is ATH and
Look, I'll just take it here.
all right, chat. Well, just to return back to the stream, I am done for today. I've locked myself out. That was a pretty quick stream. Quick trades. Thanks for watching. I'll see you guys in the next